Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to Blowout Parts. In this video, we're going to be demonstrating how you can change the cabin filter on a 2019 onward Volkswagen Jetta. This is also going to apply to the 2018 onward Atlas and Tiguan, the 2019 onward Arteon, and the 2015 to 2021 Golf models. There will be some slight visual differences from model to model, but the general concept and procedures are still going to be the same.
Begin by accessing the glove box located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Next, disconnect the linkage located on the right side of the glove box. Firmly pull on the base of the linkage towards the rear of the vehicle until you hear and feel it disengage. Next, compress the two locking clips located on the top corners of the glove box. While compressing the clips, pull out on the glove box, allowing it to lower. Next, remove the cabin air filter cover by pressing and releasing the three locking tabs located on the top side of the cover. At the same time, pull the cover in an outward direction. Once the locking tabs are released, begin tipping the cover outward, releasing the three lower tabs. Next, remove the old interior cabin filter. Also inspect the cabin filter housing area for any debris and remove it as needed. Begin installing the new cabin filter. Confirm that the airflow direction of the new filter is pointing down during installation. Slide the new interior cabin filter into the filter housing. Reinstall the cabin filter housing cover. Align and insert the bottom three tabs. Tip up and firmly press the cover against the housing until you hear all three top clips click or lock in place. Next, tip the glove box upwards and allow the two top corner tabs to clip or lock back in place. Next, reinstall the glove box linkage and place any contents back in the glove box, confirming that it closes and latches correctly.
So that was a quick overview on how to change the cabin air filter on a 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. For our full range of interior cabin air filters, check out the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.